First open Start and click on Setting. Click on System. In Display, click on Graphic Setting. Click on Browse. Locate Call of Duty folder and click on Call of Duty Executive. Open it. Now click on Option. Select High Performance. Click on Save. Now close the windows. If you don't know where is Call of Duty Modern Warfare installation folder, open Steam. Right-click your game. In Manage, select Browse Local Files. Now you can find a folder where a game is located. Now you can launch your game. If that didn't work, open GeForce Experience. Open Driver tab. Click on Download. It will install driver for your video card model. Now wait for driver to be installed. After download, restart your computer.